Hi everybody, Dr. Gustin here. There's all sorts of tools that you can use to make things like crossword puzzles or flashcards or anything like that. And I'm just going to show you this one called Cross Lab, I think it was called. I have online teaching crossword labs that I found that was super easy. You're welcome to try any one that you want. I'm just going to show you how I use this one and use it to put into a discussion. So I'm going to click on Crossword Labs. So it's crosswordlabs.com. And I get right here. And you can make an account so you can keep track of all your crossword puzzles. And I haven't done that yet, but you can just make one without doing that. So I'm just going to go practice. Give your crossword puzzle a title, and then it says enter a word and then a space, then a clue. So I'm going to go Toby, my dog's name. Let's see, maybe I can do organs of the body. Heart, pumps blood. Organ that pumps blood. Let's see, pancreas acts as an endo or exocrine gland. Now, what's happening is this puzzle's being created. You can see what it's looking like down there. Stores food before complete digestion. Let's see, let's think of another organ. Lungs, gas, or external respiration occurs here. Okay, and so you can see that my crossword puzzle was getting created right there. So you just write your word and then a space and then what you can do, right here it says save and finish. So I'm going to click that. And what all you need to do at this point is just copy this address right here. And you can put that address somewhere and somebody can access the crossword puzzle. Now, another way it says you can embed the crossword puzzle, which means instead of seeing the address, this person will see the crossword puzzle itself and be able to work on it. But for some reason in discussion, I've been able to put it in as an instructor, but it hasn't worked for me when I go to student view. So you can try it, but I would recommend just highlighting this address and doing Control C for copy, Control C, and then I have to go back to my Blackboard in my CCC, and I'm going to go to discussion. And here I am. We're doing week number 3. This is my week number 3 discussion. And I'm going to create a thread. So in my thread, what I want to put in the subject is the kind of activity that is here. So I'm going to write crossword puzzle. And I can just click in there and do Control V for paste. And you'll see there's the address for that crossword puzzle, but you'll also notice that this isn't an active link. So if a student's going to use that, they'll have to copy it and paste it up into this address bar. Okay, so if you want to make it a little easier on your classmates, you can click this link right here. I'm going to click that link, that little paperclip, and right here where it says source URL, I'm going to click on that and I'm going to paste Control V, paste that address in there. And notice there's a submit up here. Don't just run down to this submit. You have to do this submit first. And now right here, I can put a word there to say, click here for my crossword puzzle, or I can just ignore it. And I'm going to just click submit. And I click submit again. And now look at that, I've got an active link. Okay. And one more submit right here at the bottom. And there's my discussion thread. So when you click on that, I go crossword puzzle. And here's the two links. So this one, like I said, to use that, I'm going to have to highlight it and copy it, Control C, and then paste it up here, Control V. But because I have this link that's a little bit easier, I just do that and click on it. There's my crossword puzzle. So let's see. 1, external respiration occurs here. That would be the lungs. Number 2, stores food before digestion. Stomach. Number 3, oh, my dog's name. Let's say well, let's see, T-O-B-Y, Toby. 4, acts as an endocrine or exocrine gland. Pancreas, A-N-C. Let's say I spelled that word wrong. And then I'm going to go to the next one. Notice if it's wrong, it turned red. Okay. And then here, the last one, the organ that pumps blood. Oops. Heart. Okay, I can go back and fix my pancreas. Pancreas. Okay, and there you go. You're all done. You can print it right here. It says you can print that if you want to. And, oh, it looks like I printed it. You can copy and paste this in Microsoft Word. Anyway, there it is if you want to print it or do whatever you want to do. But it's a good way to get some practice in. Gosh, I thought it had to be cleared. Oh, right here. So right here, so when somebody, after you do it and somebody goes back to the same crossword puzzle, it's going to be finished. So it doesn't clear after each person. So you got to go to these 3 little lines. And right here, it says clear puzzle right there. Okay. You also should say, do you really want a clear puzzle? Yeah. You can also, that's a good place to print right there. So there's the puzzle. You can either print it, complete it, or not complete it. That's what I was looking for. So this one right here, use these little 3 horizontal bars. And that's how you could do a crossword puzzle. You can use this one, or you can try any other versions if you want.